Zashawna, nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you.
I'm Martin Yan of Yan Can Cook from PBS.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
I would like to
Yan.
find out exactly what you're cooking for me today. Probably a national dish from Philippines. What is it?
It's adobo. It's a traditional food in the Philippines.
A national dish, almost like a national dish, is adobo. I travel months and months each year to all of Asia, and Philippines is always one of my favorite stops.
Do you want to cut it, Chef Yan?
You want me to help you?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
good. You cut it in half, and then when you cut, you can also cut it this angle,
Yeah.
because the skin is a little bit tough, so you cut it in this angle. You go seesaw motion, and seesaw. When this is done, we'll put it in a container.
I choose this recipe because it's easy to cook and it is a traditional food in the Philippines. We're gonna put the pork first,
Yeah.
then the soy sauce.
Yeah, soy sauce. This soy sauce is widely used. Let's see what kind of soy sauce. Very aromatic smell. You know how soy sauce is made?
Not kind of really, don't know.
Soy sauce is made from soybeans, right? You soak the soybean, you steam the soybean, and you fermented the soybean with some special mold, which is healthy. And then 5 days later, you take it out and you put it in a big vase and add salt water, and then let it ferment for months and months. Then you have this beautiful soy sauce. The ingredient is actually very simple too, because you got the bay leaf, but you also have soy sauce. And then the vinegar they use is very unique. They can use coconut vinegar.
So we're gonna marinate it,
Yeah.
and then put lime lemon soda right here.
Okay,
Here.
this is the lime
Thank you.
lemon soda. Wow, that's
yeah.
amazing. How much?
Just half of it.
Half of it.
Right there, that's enough.
Good.
Thank you.
This is lime lemon soda. This is amazing.
Yeah.
I have not.
Lemon soda, so it will be.
I did
a
not
little
use
bit
this before.
sticky.
Must be this. Would you
Yeah.
know? A lot of people don't know that lime soda actually help to tenderize. So me too. Very good.
I enjoy cooking because I can make people happy with my cookings and the flavor of it.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna crush this too, and then cut off the skin.
Let me show you the way I normally do it. What I normally do is I use this. I rock this, right? I go like this, and I go. It's good exercise.
Yeah.
Nice and perfect. I think Philippines is in the forefront. 400-500 years ago, it's already fusion cuisine from the east and the west. Yeah, you can tell Zashawna is a very, very charming, sweet lady. When she does things with grace, you know. So the stir fry, I have to learn that, because normally I'm too rough. You know, when I stir, I'll go. But I like your style, nice and smooth and calm. I like that. See, you never stop learning from the young master here.
I started teaching myself how to cook when I was 8 years old. I always watched my aunt how to cook adobo and cook in our house. So we're done sauteing it. So we need to put the marinated pork.
Marinated pork, all of them?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Oh yes, so I gotta follow the direction. Not
okay.
yet. Not yet. And I learned so much today. Even though she is sweet and charming and soft-spoken, I can hear every single word she said. This is amazing. In Asia, rice is the staple. Every meal you serve with rice all over Asia, because they grow a lot of rice in Philippines. Actually, Philippines is a major rice growing country. So then you put the sauce.
Yeah, put it.
Put how much sauce do you
All
put?
of it.
All of it. This is about 3/4 cup. Oh, perfect. 3/4 cup. Look at that.
Oh, it's fun to cook with him, and he's a little bit funny and a good chef.
This is a Filipino traditional national dish. You go to any Filipino restaurant, this is a
always
dish,
have this.
must dish. Look at this.
It's almost
This
done.
is caramelized already.
Yeah.
As I said, soy sauce have sugar, so it caramelizes it. But you got to keep stirring gotta pay attention. You see how she constantly stirring it to not allow the pork to stick, to burn, and the sauce reduce just the right amount to coat every single piece of the pork.
So the adobo is already done.
Yeah, the pork is done, and the rice is done too. The rice is done too. When the rice is perfectly cooked, when you fluff it, it is perfectly cooked, and the rice is not stuck because of the right amount of moisture. That's the way that you do your rice. So I like this particular dish. And also it goes well with rice, noodle, spaghetti, everything. It's a wonderful meal. We're ready to serve, right?
Yeah.
This is so, let me smell it. Let me smell it.
Sure.
Let me smell it. Wow. Zashawna,
Yeah.
this is the best looking
Thank you so much, Mr.
adobo,
Yan.
traditional national dish from the Philippines. This is gonna be good. And
So
lettuce.
I mostly do this at home.
Yeah.
When I want to make it nice.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
I'm gonna tap it and
Yeah.
then put it right there.
Perfect. Hey,
And
perfectly cooked rice. I'm learning from this charming, sweet Zashawna here. The cooking technique is actually it's also very simple. That's why I like it. There's nothing fancy, and also when you are cooking, you get to watch it. And a dish inspired from
my
your
dad.
A better cook than your mom. Amazing. How about I have a small taste and you have a small taste, okay? Taste. You know what? This is cooked perfectly. I've never tasted adobo. It melts in your mouth.
No.
Just the right flavor. Not too salty, not too sweet, very aromatic. You know what? This is a success. And I
Thank you.
congratulate you. And I want to wish you continued success
Thank you.
in the pursuit of your culinary dream. Okay?
Yeah.
And one day, if I ever open a restaurant, please come
I will.
and work for me. People always say, a melting pot like America, people from all over, they bring all the wonderful cuisine, wonderful flavor, wonderful seasoning. And I learned so much from Zashawna today.
I feel that Chef Yan likes my food, my cooking, and how my skill is.